Now we're gonna replace the PC valve. The PC valve is located right here in the key hole, and what it does is just regulate the pressure inside the engine. And when this get locked or get too dirty, it stop regulating, and the engine build up pressure, and you're gonna have a lot of leaks around, probably through the seals in the camshaft, down and the crankshaft, or by the other side of the crankshaft by the flywheel area. So that's a good indication that your PC valve is clogged or is seized or whatever happened with it. It's recommended to replace it every 30,000 miles. So to replace it, you're supposed to be using number 21 socket. In my case, I don't have a number 21 socket, so I'm gonna be using 13 16s. This is not a metric card, but it fits perfectly. So we're gonna pull this clamp out of here. Now we're gonna pull this hose. Let me hose is pulled. So now I'm going to unthread it. I'm gonna put a new one. You can hear the bolt. It goes right here. And you can use a socket to put it back together. This piece don't go tight. It goes tight, but you cannot too tight it too much. So what I usually do is just stop there and just go there. That's it. No more than that. I mean, you don't see the O-ring because this is plastic. It's easy to crack it. Put the hose back, and then get the clamp back in position, and it's done.